Hey, what's up guys? Quick install video. Try to make this one short and sweet. Got this thing here, the ignition cover. Got it to match the the wheels and the handlebars and stuff. This one broke because it's cheap plastic. So I think all we're gonna need is the medium-sized Allen that came with the Surron, and some needle nose. So you gotta take the lid off. Make sure your the fuse breaker is off. There's these little clips that need to come off. You've probably seen that a million times. I didn't really research how to disassemble the old one yet, so it's going to be an adventure. Always looking for feedback, guys, on my videos because I'm still learning, trying to get better. This time I left out the mic. I still have the camera on my helmet and wearing my helmet, but I'm just doing the regular sound for GoPro. Because last video I did like this, I had the mic inside the helmet, and it took me like 2 hours to edit out all the heavy breathing. So hopefully this audio comes out better. So anyways, yeah, you just take these off. So I checked prickly parts for the cover. I didn't really see one I liked, so I'm not sure what brand this is. I got it off Amazon, and I mean, it's really lightweight. It's aluminum. I like the machining. The color turned out really nice. I mean, it feels pretty solid. I'm happy with the quality of this. So I'm not sure if these just kind of they twist off, or how do they go on? I'm pretty sure they twist or something and come off. This thing, oh, this thing just kind of screws. Alright. Well, shit, do I have to unplug this? I guess I have to unplug it because yeah. Okay, so that's that one. So how does this one come off? Oh, it pushes out this way. Okay, and that also needs to be disconnected here. So it just slides out this way, and it should just clip right back in like this. Maybe like this. Okay. Cool. And then this thing unscrews. So just stick that right in. Screw this piece back on. It's nice and tight. This can go right back on here. Okay. These can go right back on here. Ah, shit, which was which? Damn, I don't remember. I think it's like that. And I should actually, how can I test this out? That thing, okay. So let's just turn this on for now. And let's turn the ignition on. That turns on. Yeah, okay, it's getting power. Okay, cool. Came with new screws, but they seem to be exactly the same. So I'm just going to use the ones that came off of it. Alright, so I can just stuff this stuff back in here. And I can just line this up. There we go. Oh. That's not going, why not? You can tighten these nice and tight because you don't have to worry about the stupid plastic breaking. Wow, that looks nice. Cool. Alright, so let's put this back on. Okay. Oops. It's a little hard to get on there. Come on. I'm trying to step back there now. Not. Okay. Try it again. Got it. Voila. Cool. It looks great. What do you guys think? Kind of goes with the style of the bike, like the wheels, handlebars, the pegs. Looks pretty slick in my opinion. Alright guys, well that'll do it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.